Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Crib. Today I am going to make stuffed capsicum. Let's have a look to the ingredients. 1 cup boiled and grated potatoes, 1 capsicum, 1.5 teaspoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, half teaspoon dried mango powder, 2 to 3 green chilies. These are completely optional. If you don't want, don't put it. Half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 big onion, 2 to 3 cloves garlic chopped, and olive oil. Let's start. First of all, I am going to make the mixture which we have to stuff in a capsicum. I am taking 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Our oil is quite warm. First of all, I am putting the fennel seeds. Make sure it should not be very dark. Now I am adding garlic here. And onion. See, it's done. You have to make it golden brown, and it took around 4 minutes. Now I'm adding gram flour here. What gram flour will do? It helps in binding the potato. And you have to cook gram flour also, so that it don't give you the raw taste. Cook it around 2 minutes. You can feel the aroma that it's not anymore raw. Now I am adding potatoes in this. Mix it well. And now I am adding dried spices. Half teaspoon of dried mango powder, coriander powder, and now I'm adding chili because this will not be very hot, and salt to taste. Give it a stir. All the spices are mixed. Now allow this to cook it for 3 minutes so that it absorbs all the flavor of spices. See, this is done. Allow this to come to the room temperature. Meanwhile, I am preparing the capsicum. That's how to do the stuffing in. See, I washed the capsicum. And now what I'm going to do, just taking out the middle one, and we'll take out all the seeds from inside. See, this is out, and now I want to clean from inside. See, it's empty now. Now I will fill the stuffing inside, and you have to fill it very good so that it won't come out. Now I'm going to fill the stuffing inside. See, like this. You can also use your hands. I will use it later because you really have to fill it properly, because we have to slice the capsicum, otherwise the potatoes will be out. So fill it at every end. See, our capsicum is filled. Now I'm going to cut this in slices, and we'll we'll do shallow fry. See, like this. I'm making it into slices. Like this. See, the potato is completely full. That's why it's not coming out, otherwise it will come out. So you have to be very careful. Fill to the fullest. See, our slices are ready. Now I need to shallow fry them. Just take a pan and pour a little bit of oil so that we can do shallow fry. Not a lot, but yeah, this much is okay. Now just putting like this. And let it cook. See, we can turn it now. Slowly. You can see the color. Wow. The capsicum will also shrink. It will cook properly. Gram flour really helps in binding the potatoes. It's not coming out. Allowed to cook from other side also. Reason why I did the slices, because some people don't find it easy in eating. So that's why. And these are done. See, the capsicum is also cooked, so we can take it out. And here it is. Enjoy with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.